Hey everyone, I'm with Stefan Design Studios, and today we will be looking at the Forever Me wig from their latest collection. Here's the user guide. Oh my goodness! Okay. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Okay, here she is in the color Champagne Toast. She is gorgeous, and let's get straight to putting her on. The wig's color is in Champagne Toast, and she is so timelessly elegant and beautiful. She has these gorgeous golden hues to her, and she just gives a touch of elegance and glamour. Champagne Toast is such a versatile color and universally flattering on so many different skin tones, and she really just complements the face. And the quality feels incredible. She's so flowy and soft, she's super silky, and she has so much movement to her. She's casual, chic, easy to wear, and you just toss her on and go. If you're looking for a wig that's as versatile as you are, look no further than this short, straight style. This wig also has a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to creating a natural and seamless scalp and hairline. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual strands going into a sheer lace material, and as you can see, it's virtually undetectable. This allows your hairline to blend seamlessly with your natural hairline and look like the hair is growing directly from your scalp. The fine lace also eliminates any harsh edges or lines and creates such a natural, seamless look. The monofilament parting here adds one more layer of realism to your wig. This involves individually hand knotting each strand of hair onto a sheer lace material, and it just creates a very natural look to the scalp that's just peeking through your hair. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament parting, you get a wig that's so natural as if it was coming directly from your hair, and so versatile in styling options. As you can see, she looks so natural, she has so much movement to her, and she's extremely lightweight. I highly recommend the Forever Me wig.